In this video, you will learn how to integrate Clevera with Notion and then directly publish articles from Clevera to your Notion workspace. Let's connect Clevera to your Notion account using the OAuth flow. From your Clevera account, open the Workspace menu.
Now, open Integrations from the menu.
Select Notion's Connect button to start the OAuth flow.
I'll open the Page selector and pick the pages. Allow access to grant Clevera permission for those pages.
Authorization completes and the Integrations page shows Notion connected. Now, let's publish a video and article to Notion. Let's open the video in the editor. Now open the Share dialog.
Switch to the Export tab.
Choose Publish to Notion to send this article directly. Select where in Notion you want to publish to. Click Publish to push the article into Notion. The article is now in your My Articles database in Notion. Header, metadata, and the embedded video are all in place. Try publishing your own content to Notion to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching.